Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add people from contacts to Instagram. Open Instagram. From here, go to your profile. Now from your profile, on the right side of edit profile option, you'll see a person icon with a plus. Tap on that. Now beside discover people, on the right side, you'll find see all. Tap on that. Here you'll see connect to Facebook and connect contacts. Tap connect beside the connect contacts. Now there might some instances where you'll have an error in here. What you'll need to do is go to your phone settings. From your settings, you'll need to find the Instagram app. Then tap it. And then make sure your contacts is enabled. Here I'll be turning it off and on. Then go back to your Instagram. Once again, go to your profile. Tap on the person icon with the plus. Then tap see all beside the discover people. Tap on connect beside connect contacts. There will be a pop-up where it says allow Instagram to access your contacts. Press continue. Refresh the app. And your contacts will be shown on top suggestions. Then you'll have an option to follow them. And that's how to add people from contacts to Instagram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.